Hello everyone, welcome back to another Roblox video on the Casual Code YouTube channel. In today's Roblox video, I'll be showing you how to get a badge on Part Touch. So let's get into the video. First of all, you want to create a new base plate. I've made a base plate right here. And once you're in the base plate, you want to make a part and you want to call it badge part. So for my instance, my badge part is right here. And it's called be it badge part, just like this. If you know how the script works, then you can change that as well. But for now, just put it to this. Make sure the badge part is anchored and cancel light is either on or off. I prefer to have it on. And once you're done with that, you can insert a script into the badge part, a normal script. Rename the script to badge giver. And before we start, we will do this and we'll post the ID of the badge here. So if you have a badge already, go get the ID of that. And if you don't have a badge, I'll show you how to get it right now. So to create a badge, you want to go to your game dashboard right here. Find your experience and go to associated items and you will see badge right here. Once you're here, you can create a new badge and you can upload image, give it a name and description. So I'm gonna do this real fast. Okay, so I've given it an image and I've given it a name as well. And then you want to just create badge right here. You'll be put back to this. Go in here, press these three dots, press copy asset ID. Go back into studio and put the ID right here. And this is just so we remember the ID. So we're going to use it in a bit. Now to start scripting, we will start putting the actual code in. So I'm going to zoom in a bit for you guys. So I want to say local badge ID like this with a capital I equals, and then hit these two right here, and then you want to paste your number in. So I'm going to get my number right here. Paste it into here. You want to say local part equals script.parent, and this is the badge part right here. Now let's make the function for giving the badge. So we're gonna say function on touched hit, because we're gonna do a function that every time you touch it, you hit the part. It's gonna do it. So we're going to define the local player, game.players, get player from character, and then hit.parent. So right now we're gonna get the player from the character from the players in the game, and we're gonna find the hit.parent. So whatever hits the part's parent. So in our case, it's gonna be the character or the humanoid. If player, then so if it's actually a player that hits it, because if you don't define this, then the base plate here will also hit the part if the part was laying down here, or in this instance it's gonna be this other part that's gonna hit it. So we don't want that. We want to make sure that if it's a player, then local player has badge player find first child badge ID underscore, put this again, dot badge ID. This checks if the player has the badge or not. If not player has badge, then so if the player doesn't have the badge, then we will give them the badge. So we will say local badge service equals game get the service badge service badge service award badge. So we're gonna give the badge player user ID. Make sure it's with the capital I right here, comma badge ID. So we're gonna give the user ID from the player that hits the badge, the badge ID, which in our case is this badge up here, right here. And then we want to make the three ends. We'll go down here, we'll say part touched connect on touched. So here we will run the script down here. So every time it's touched, this will fire off and the function will be played and the player will get the part right here. Oh, there you go. So now this is it for the actual script. We can close it off and we can press play. Okay, we have now loaded into the game, and if you haven't set your part to anchored, then it will not be right now. So assuming you have put it to anchored, this is what you should see. And if it doesn't work for you, make sure to open the output and go here and see if you have any errors coming out. So this is a plugin error, this is not the script. So right now it doesn't seem like we have any errors, so let's try hit it. As you can see, it gives a message here because they give the badge, and the badge was awarded down here. So it's trying actively to give me the badge right here, but since we already have the badge, it's not able to do it. So you could add a debounce, or every time the player has gotten the badge, you could stop this. But for now, this is just a quick repetition of how to do it. So we've already given the badge to this player, meaning they can't get it out again. And this is the user ID and badge ID. So that is really it for now. That's it for this tutorial. If you guys have any questions, then please let me know in the description. Join the Discord server, and the script will be in the Discord server. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.